Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to use window grid step by step. Start by measuring each pane and noting widths and heights for consistent spacing. Prepare the frame by cleaning and drying surfaces, then test fit the grid pieces without adhesive. Mark layout with a pencil and use clips or tape to hold spacers before final attachment to ensure everything stays square and even. Measure twice and cut once, keeping each grid member straight and exact with a miter box or guide. Dry fit all pieces on the frame and adjust any lengths before gluing or fastening. Use a clamp or jig to keep corners square while adhesive sets, then fill seams with putty and sand for a seamless look before painting or sealing to match the window frame and exterior. After installation, run a thin bead of caulk along interior and exterior seams to prevent drafts and moisture penetration. Allow caulk to cure fully, then prime and paint the grid to ensure durability and a finished appearance. Finally, inspect joints for any gaps, reapply sealant if needed, and clean excess paint and adhesive so the grid looks factory installed and functions well for years to come.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.